Welcome to JH. Today, we are going to explore how you can effectively link Notion with GitHub to transform your project management and documentation for 2024. Whether you are a developer or a project manager, this guide is designed to help you streamline your professional workflow. To begin, navigate to the official Notion website. This platform has gained massive popularity because it allows you to manage wikis, documents, and project tasks all in one central location. To start the integration, you need to log into your Notion account. Simply click the Login button to move forward, or sign up now if you do not have an account yet. When the login screen appears, you will see several authentication methods. For the best experience, I suggest using the Continue with Google option, especially if you already use Google for your other work tools. It is a seamless way to log in without the trouble of remembering another password. After you select this option, choose the specific Google account you want to use. This process automatically fetches your details so you do not have to type them in manually. Once you are logged in, you will arrive at your Notion dashboard, which acts as your primary command center for organization. Find an empty block on your page where you want to add the GitHub connection. Type /GitHub into that empty block to trigger the integration command. This shortcut is the key to unlocking GitHub's functionality within Notion. A drop-down menu will then appear with various widgets. Select GitHub from this list. This is an important step as you are about to bridge the gap between your codebase and your management tools. Now, click the Link to GitHub button to initiate the connection. Notion will ask for permission to access your GitHub information. This is a secure process that keeps your data safe while enabling powerful collaboration. After authorizing, you must specify which Notion database you want to connect with your repository. If you are new to the platform, remember that a database is a dynamic container for your project tasks and documentation. Click on your chosen database to finalize the link. You have now successfully integrated GitHub with Notion. This is a total game changer, allowing you to pull GitHub issues directly into Notion tables so you can manage development right alongside your tasks. Notion's flexibility allows for deep customization, so feel free to explore different ways to tailor this to your specific workflow. Thank you for following this 2024 guide. Here is to more efficient and organized project management.